Why buy gold? The biggest reason to own physical gold is because you never know what's going to happen. Gold has always held value throughout the history of mankind, and you can probably safely bet it will during your lifetime too. You cannot say the same for the currency. Just look at the purchasing power of the dollar within just the past years. If they want to lower the purchasing power, they increase the money supply. If they want a strong dollar, they increase the interest rate. There can be no doubt the dollar continues to decline in purchasing power, and all at the whim of private bankers. So as a hedge against inflation, owning gold is probably a good idea. It is an absolutely great idea and really one of the only ways to secure the value of your savings. You can't beat owning gold to protect your savings. When you buy, make sure you get physical gold, not stocks, not ETFs. Don't use one of these places that houses your gold. One of the best and easiest ways of doing that is buying gold through eBay. You know what the value of gold is on any given day. You know how much gold a coin or bar has in it. Bid the amount that it is worth and walk away. If you get it for the price you wanted, great. If you don't, try again. You do want to make sure you are buying from a reputable seller on eBay. However, some of your best deals are going to be with people just starting out on eBay. Another great thing about eBay is you do not pay a premium as a buyer. If you sell, there is an insertion fee and a final value fee, but it is a quick way to sell gold or silver.